Hello you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Apparently we're clapping at the intro of this one. Ruby is here, and I have an exciting video for you because I have a plant haul in store from 2 different states in the United States. So it's gonna be exciting. One is from California, the other is from Nevada. So we're gonna start with California because that is where I am from, and well, I guess that's about as far as that goes. So first, just a quick backstory on the nursery. I got 2 plants from there. The nursery is so beautiful. I meant to do a recording in there, but my phone storage was full and I primarily record on my phone, so that kind of did not work. However, I do have plans to return to said nursery and to record it for you because this place, I am not kidding, is like an indoor oasis in the sense that there are plants everywhere. It is fantastic. There are some really old fiddly figs within there. It's packed full of plants. And actually, fun story, that same nursery is the same place where I got this beautiful little monstera. So if you're in the Bay Area of California, you might just want to check them out. Just maybe, if you like that one. And plants in general. So anyways, without further ado, and without further teasing, I am going to show you what I got from that nursery. Starting off with this guy. It's beautiful. I did already repot him because yesterday I went on to a huge potting binge where I was outside potting all the plants that needed to be done. I planted some jasmines, oh, that's Ruby yawning. Good yawn, Ruby. And a whole bunch of other ones, but this is called an Earth Star, I believe. As always, I will label it down below, but what drew me to it was just the vibrancy of the pinky red hues combined with that like dark chocolatey brown. I just thought it was beautiful. And oh, actually thinking about it, one of the other plants I got is right behind me and I didn't put it in front of me, so I'm gonna scoot that on forwards. But it's gorgeous. I highly recommend it. I believe you're supposed to let it dry out completely before you water it again. That's when it is at its happiest state. I don't know too much about the plant yet, but I just thought it was beautiful. And hopefully you guys like it as well. And I thought the little pot kind of went with it because it kind of mimics that dark hue that goes in between the pink. Am I right? I think so. And staying within that kind of vibrant hue, I got this guy. So he is gorgeous. I want to say it's a croton, but it's not. So I'm not gonna say it, but I believe that it starts with the letter C. I will list it down below. I have been having my eye on this plant for so long. I think it's so gorgeous how it's like, it's kind of like, you know, like pom-poms? If like pom-poms mixed with like rooster tail feathers or something, I don't know. It's fantastic though, and it kind of looks even like fireworks. It's beautiful. And again, it has that kind of dark hue contrasting with that really vibrant neon pink color, and it just makes me go, yes! So that's what I did all the way to the register. Well, not literally, because that would be a little bit like, dude, there's a crazy chick inside the plant store, but it was kind of like that idea internally. So, and I do want to put this little plant-a-rooney inside of like a hot pink pot. I do not currently have a hot pink pot though, so I got some wrapping paper and just kind of cinched it on there, and it kind of works, right? I don't know, let me know if it doesn't. But I thought it was kind of like a nice little temporary band-aid essentially for it. It's beautiful. I hope you guys can see all the gorgeous detail on each of these leaves because it's fantastic. And next, last but not least, for the California nursery, you guys are gonna wanna sit down for this one. If you're not sitting down, please go grab a little seat, put your caboose in said seat, breathe, do that namaste life with all the pointing of the fingers because this will have you quaking in your little boots or flip-flops or sandals or whatever you have. Maybe you're just, it'll quake you in your little skeleton. How's that? Because when I saw this, I heard the Jaws soundtrack inside of my heart, my soul, my mind. And that's because, ladies and gentlemen, I had purchased a shark fin. That's right, shark fin. A shark fin snake plant? What the heck? I know, that was literally, like, I stopped in my tracks if I was a train, I literally abruptly screeched and looked over and was like, what in the hillbilly tarnation is this thing? And apparently it's called, well, a shark fin snake plant. It's the Sansevieria, and it's one of the newer varieties, but I have never in my entire life, hi puppy, it's Ruby again, never in my entire life seen something like this. First of all, it's huge. Second of all, it's, well, I guess that's about it. I mean, it's freaking huge. Now, apparently, it's supposed to shoot out like babies like every other snake plant does, kind of like at the base of it. This is only one leaf of this little guy, but I mean, I know like in the previous video I was making fun of myself because I got a cast iron plant that was literally 3 leaves, and I was like, why did I buy such a tiny little plant? But this one is only 1 leaf, but it struck me. I just think it's fantastic, and you should just check out all the detail of this fantastic thing. I mean, just compared to like the normal size of it, it literally, I mean, you can't even see me when this sucker's in front of my face. It's like, where'd I go? I got eaten by a shark fin snake plant. That's where I went. So it's amazing. I have never seen one of these online. I have never seen one of them in person. So when I saw it, I was both baffled and awestruck because I was confused. I didn't know what I was even looking at, but now I do. And it's fantastic because snake plants are already one of my favorite plants just because of their air purification qualities. However, this snake plant is slightly different because it does need medium light. A lot of times people get the snake plants and they're like, oh, I'll put it in a closet, it'll be fine because it's a snake plant, it doesn't need much light. This one does. So if you ever find a shark fin snake plant inside of your nursery, don't put it in the dark. It wants to be in the light to grow. So please do that. Now, moving on to the second nursery, we are going to Nevada, ladies and gentlemen. And I know you guys are probably thinking, Nevada? Girl, you must have been gambling, drinking, going to brothels, but no. The only thing I placed my bet on is which nursery I would be going to. And I went to 3 nurseries. However, 2 of the nurseries that I went to basically specialized a lot in outdoor plants. And even though I did drive to Nevada, I wasn't about to start hauling like maples and fruit trees and all this other pine stuff around with me. I mean, I would have, but I had my 2 dogs with me and my boyfriend, so I guess I could have bought them a flight ticket home, but in any case, I didn't. I should have thought about that earlier though, next time. In any case, so I went to one of them. It was called Moana Nursery. I remember that because it reminded me of Hawaii, and I love Hawaii. But apparently they're a chain over there. I had never heard of them before, so if you're familiar with it, cool. If not, well, fun fact, I went to Moana Nursery. And there I got 2 different plants, both of them awesome. Starting off with this guy, that's right, look at how cute it is. I was immediately drawn to it, first of all, because it was 50% off, but second of all, because it's this gorgeous little pink-a-dink little color. I mean, how beautiful is that foliage? Am I right? I believe so. And this guy also needs medium light to let the soil completely dry out in between waterings. It's beautiful. It's not a very rare plant. You can find it basically probably anywhere, honestly, during springtime, but it's beautiful, and I loved the pink color. As you can tell, I have like a pink thing going on without me even realizing it, to be honest with you. What does it mean? Maybe nothing, maybe something. In any case, this is the last plant that I got, and holy guacamole, this thing is a beaut. Don't you love it? I love it. It has these little pinky hues on the bottom, topped with this like beautiful variegated creamy ivory green leaf color, and I just immediately thought that it would look fantastic in a neon green pot because my 2 favorite colors, as you might know by my thumbnails by now, are neon pink and neon green because it's like alien watermelon. I mean, what is there not to like about that, right? So potted this guy up yesterday also with my Potapalooza, and I love it very much. It kind of reminds me of like funky little flamingos or something else that's festive and pink. It also reminds me of a prayer plant, which I do believe it is, but I think it's called a trio star, maybe. In any case, those are my new plants. I hope you liked them very much, because I like them very much. And don't forget to comment down below which one of my new plant-a-roonies is your favorite, because I'm curious, and I hope that it's the shark fin one. And also, don't forget to subscribe. It lets me know that you guys like this, because otherwise I'm just over here talking to myself and my camera and my plants, which is totally fine. I would do it anyways, but makes your girl feel good, you know? So I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for all of your comments, all of your views, all of your likes. It's awesome to know that there's other people out in the universe who like plants and pups and life as much as I do. So I hope you guys have a really great day. Indy, do you want to come say hi? I'll give you a hug. Oh, there he is. I hope you guys have a really great day, and I'll see you in the next video.